All right, which vegetable has the best kung fu? Obviously, broccoli. Hiya. Okay, let's get to it. We've got today the almost the other side of the coin to volume. It's called capacity. Okay, very similar to volume. The only thing that's kind of different is different units. It's a key subject specific term, SST, that you kind of need to know. So whether they ask for volume or capacity, you have to know the difference. Now, what is the difference? Okay, now I've kind of written this here so you can see that there's a difference between the two. Volume, we talked about last lesson. It's the amount of space a solid occupies. If I'm talking about capacity, I'm talking about the amount of fluid a solid can occupy. So I know it's the same thing, but probably where it kind of gets a little bit more different is volume. We measure in millimeters cubed, centimeters cubed, meters cubed, kilometers cubed, that kind of cubed. Whereas if I talk about capacity, I more talk about mils, liters, kiloliters. Okay. A couple really handy points, which they used to give you, but they don't give you anymore, is you have to memorize that 1 centimeter cube. So, kind of like those little cubes you played with in primary, one by one by one. 1 centimeter cubed is worth 1 mil. Okay. That's the measurement, that's the conversion. And the other one that's kind of nice is 1 meter cubed. So, that means 1 meter by 1 meter by 1 meter, like a giant kind of like cube. That's worth 1 kiloliter. And in case you forgot what a kiloliter is, kilo generally means 1,000. So that means that's 1,000 liters in a meter by meter by meter. Okay. Some helpful conversions there. Now, here's just a simple question on how it might apply it itself. So there's just, we've got here, it looks like a cylinder, and I want to find the volume and find the capacity. So let's do volume first. Volume, because it is a prism-like shape, same cross-section, is going to be A times H. So in this case, it's going to be pi times radius, which will be 12.5 because 25 centimeters is the full diameter. So it's going to be 12.5 squared pi times 12.5 squared times 12. So that's your A, that's your H. And that there is going to give you, let me tell you, pi times 12.5 squared. Let's get rid of that one there. Pi times 12.5 squared multiplied by 12. That's going to give you a volume of 5890. Let's just do it to one decimal place, 0.5. And this will be centimeters cubed. Okay. That will be that. Now to find it in capacity, I know that this is going to be the same thing because I know that, remember, 1 centimeter cubed is the same thing as 1 mil. So I know this is going to be 5890.5 mils. And to write this a little bit nicer, maybe I can write this as 5.8905 liters, because from mils to from milliliters to liters, there's 1,000. So I've just divided it by 1,000. Okay, so roughly 5 liters. Yeah, that's probably it. Hope that helps, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later. Bye.